Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Practice Podcast. My name is Emma. I am your teacher today.
Hello, my name is Leo. I am learning English. I am a beginner.
That is great, Leo. And hello to all our listeners. Today, we will learn simple English. We will go slow. We will use easy words.
Yes, please learn with us. Listen and repeat.
Good idea. Let's start with greetings. Leo, when you meet someone, you can say hello.
Hello.
Good. Listeners, please repeat. Hello.
Another greeting is hi.
Yes, hi is very common. Let's say it together. Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Good. Now, another greeting is good morning.
Good morning.
We say good morning in the morning.
Good morning.
Listeners, please repeat. Good morning.
After morning, we say good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Now, in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
Good job. Let's practice. I say good morning.
Good morning.
I say hello.
Hello.
Now, listeners, your turn. Hello. Good morning. Good evening. Great practice. Now, let's learn numbers.
Numbers are important.
Yes, let's start with numbers 1 to 5. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Listeners, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good.
Emma, can we count together?
Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That was easy.
Yes, now let's learn 6 to 10. 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10,
Listeners, repeat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I like counting.
Counting is fun. Now let's learn the days of the week.
There are 7 days.
Yes, 7 days in 1 week. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Listeners, repeat the days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Emma, what day is today?
Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
Listeners, you can say today is Monday
Or today is Tuesday.
or today is Sunday.
Very useful.
Now let's talk about objects.
Objects are things we see every day.
Yes, let's start with simple objects. Book, book, pen,
Pen,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
phone.
phone,
Listeners, repeat. Book, pen, table, chair, phone. Good job. Emma, I have a book. Great sentence. I have a pen. Good. I have a phone. Listeners, try speaking. Say, I have a book. Say, I have a pen. Say, I have a phone. Excellent. Now let's learn about food and drinks.
I like food.
Me too. Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
apple, apple, banana.
banana,
Now drinks. Water,
water,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
milk.
milk,
Listeners, repeat. Bread, rice, apple, banana, water, tea, coffee. Milk. Emma, I like apples.
Good.
I like rice. Nice sentence. I drink water. Very good. Listeners, try speaking. Say, I like apples. Say, I like rice. Say, I drink water. Great practice. Now let's talk about daily activities. Things we do every day. Yes. Wake up. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to work. Study English. Study English. Eat lunch. Eat lunch. Go home. Go home. Sleep. Sleep. Listeners, repeat. Wake up. Eat breakfast. Go to work. Study English. Eat lunch. Go home. Sleep. Sleep. Emma, I wake up at 7. Good sentence. I eat breakfast. Nice. I study English. Very good. Listeners, try speaking. I wake up. I eat breakfast. I study English. I sleep. Great job. Now it is time for a short review. Let's remember what we learned. Greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good evening. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Objects. Book, pen, table, chair, phone. Food and drinks. Bread, rice, apple, banana, water, tea, coffee, milk. Wonderful. That was fun. Thank you for listening. Practice every day.
Listen again. Repeat the words.
You can do it.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.